Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung washer U6 error code. So first thing is just simply understanding the error code. So U6 means the load is unbalanced during the spin cycle. So first press pause, open the door, and rearrange the laundry evenly inside the drum. And remember that don't wash single bulky items like a blanket alone. Just simply add a few smaller items to help balance the drum. Another one is check if the washer is level. So make sure the washer is placed on a flat surface and adjust the feet to eliminate wobbling. Now, close the door securely and press start. The washer will try to rebalance and complete the spin cycle. If the error keeps showing, guys, just simply contact the Samsung support for professional help to fix the issue. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.